Hey poopers, welcome back to hashtag straight poop. In my pledge to you guys, I'm bringing you all the types of pork and beef ribs. This is a beef back rib, a slab, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna JACCARD this guy because it's almost impossible to get the membrane off of this, okay? So the easiest way is just JACCARDing this guy. All right, between the bones, obviously. Yeah. And this will help. This will help make the fat render. I do this on every slab of beef back ribs I do. Yeah, okay. Now let's get the other side. And I've got it on I'm just laying it on unbleached parchment. Tries to keep everything, you know, clean. Okay. Yeah. These little holes, it's going to take the salt and pepper. Because that's all I'm doing right now. But when we take it out in the pit, I'm going to use a basting sauce. And then we'll take it in here and I'll show you the final preparation. Okay, so I'm going to salt and pepper this bad boy. And in the meantime, why don't you guys take a look at one of my pro tips. We've created charts that are very demonstrative on tips, secrets, hints, and everything else from my cookbook. So take a look and we'll meet you outside. Hey poopers, welcome back. We got our beef back ribs. They're gonna take about 6 hours. And gonna flip them once, gonna cook them 3 hours on this side, 3 hours on the other side, and made a nice little glaze. It's steak sauce, honey, cannabis oil, salt, pepper, some garlic. And every half hour, 45 minutes, I'm going to baste these guys within the 6 hour period. And I'm going to take them off, bring them inside, put them on a nice platter, and show you another glaze with cannabis oil and stuff to dip this in. So in the meantime, why don't you go take a look at one of our charts we call pro tips. They're from our cookbooks and they're charts, demonstratives. Take a look at one of our pro tips and join us in the kitchen. Larry's pro tip. Enjoy. Hey poopers! Wilma! I got Brontosaurus ribs. Don't they remind you of Fred when they delivered it and the car toppled over on the side? I glazed them with sauce, I told you I would. I took some KC Masterpiece, some A1, mixed that up with some cannabis oil. I got some hot sauce in there, I put some chili powder in there, and a grind of pepper, okay? And just a little pinch of salt. And then one over my left shoulder for good luck, because we could always have that. All right, these are simple, man, okay? The fat on the back rendered very nicely. It took 6 hours even. 6 hours, no more, no less. And I took that basting liquid, I basted it every about 35 minutes, 40 minutes, and it came out great. Okay, so I would cut them, easier to use, okay? And they're cooked at such a tender point that you could probably scrape or pull the bone away. See here? the bones pulled away from the meat. About an inch. That's when you know they're done. You could also do the pinch test on the meat. This easily broke off, okay? I let my dogs take a look at it, and they loved it. I pinched off a little shard of bark. They loved it too. And it's the first time they've had beef back ribs, believe it or not. And they love Mister's or Daddy's BarBeQue. And I know you guys too do too, because I've seen the numbers on vidIQ. Man, you guys, the retention value and all that stuff is great. So I thank you for that. My dogs thank you. Letting them entertain you. We'll see you next time here on #StraightPoop. If you want a cookbook, email us or see if the link works at the top. I put it there 3 times. We'll see you next time here on #StraightPoop, guys. We love having you here. If you're waiting on us, you're loafing.